Guys, another cooking day vlog here. So this is the work of my niece. Guys, you know what, I love githeri so much and I cannot miss to prepare this with you guys together. So let's do this. Let's cook together. So nisha prepare rice already. Let me show you. So guys, here is it. I'm preparing rice. It's already cooked. So to take ugali, so I'm doing this courtesy of So guys, our rice is finally ready now. You see it, unaona venye imeachana guys. So wacha nizime hii moto. Si kuzima. Let me now finish up cooking githeri. Let's cook it together. Sawa. Rice is ready finally. Mtoto anasema anataka rice and githeri. Si mimi yaki, but also I love githeri. So githeri for anything. So let's cook it together guys. Guys, mi napenda nikieka vitu zangu zote like kitunguu na hiyo hoho naeka tu pamoja hivyo. Akisina pilipili, oh my god, I will use black pepper. And also I do have garlic. Oh my god, tutapika na nyiko tu. Tutapika na nyiko. So guys, naeka tu small amount of oil. Kidogo tu. Just want to put small amount. Hii mafuta inashika haraka. It's called ransom oil. Hey! Yeah, so guys, mi napenda nikiweka vitunguu na hiyo what do we call it? Hoho pamoja hivyo. Zikaweze kuiva and then zikiturn golden brown, I will go ahead to add my things here. I will go ahead and add these things here. Guys, nimepata saumu hapa. So ni grind. Acha niweke hiyo. Kuifanya tikwe na kalaba. Ziko karibu kutani hiyo kala yenye nataka. Acha nitengeneze nyanya. What do we call this guys? How do you call it in your language? Sisi, we call it mwiho. Kiswahili mwiko. How do you call it in your native language? As we call it mwiho. In Kiswahili mwiko. Yeah, that's how we call it. So let me make nyanya. Guys, as you can see, that is going to change color. And so because nataka tuweke waru ziive kidogo ndani tuweke githeri yetu iko. So what we'll do, tutaweka nyanya zetu hapa, then ziive kidogo, then we tuweke this waru and small carrots. So adding seasoning. Chumvi because nilisahau kununua black pepper, nitaweka hii, but napenda ile ya green like the natural one. So let me just put this. just a little bit of that black pepper. Yeah. Then what else can I add? Let me see. I'll put these 2 Royco cubes. These 2 Royco cubes. I love Royco cubes because was natosha vizuri. Yeah. What else? Let me see if I can add. Guys, is this one necessary kweli? That only add, but I don't know. Pure ground ginger. That only take it over too. Just a little bit. Hivyo. Inatosha. Lakini nilisahau pilipili aje, but hata hii itawaka slightly. So after all this, nichanganye. Ensure nimeweka tu vizuri. So ziko sawa. Guys, I know most of you mnaweza kuwa mna wonder why am I using this makeup. Guys, let me use this, please, just for today. Let me use this. Tafadhali. Yeah, so wacha niweke zile vitu zetu. So it's time for us to put our things here. What is it? Can you see them? Yeah. In the name of githeri. Nimeshangaa. So guys, this is it. It's about so nataka to add githeri yetu sisi. The way inaenda vizuri. Yeah. So I'm about to add my githeri. Then our rice is right here. Look at our rice. Yeah. And another thing, guys, as you are cooking, you're supposed to ensure that this is zimeiva because our githeri is already iko sawa. So tukiweka tu tunafunga tu kidogo leo tunatoa sawa. Yeah, so stay here, let's finish together. So guys, this is it. I want to add now githeri. Stay tuned here. This is our githeri, guys. This is our githeri. If you know me, you know I love githeri. Hey. Yeah, so let's put our githeri now. So guys, this is it. This is our githeri now. Nawaambia tu, yani hii githeri ni tamu and nafunika tu kidogo, then it will be ready for us. We will be serving with rice. Nani rice wenye imeachana, guys. Wow, so yeah, that is it for today, guys. I just felt like I should cook something with you. But guys, it's so yummy, it's so yummy. Rate my cooking, guys. Let's finish cooking, then we enjoy. Acha niweke little water. That is it. Haifai tena ikuwe masupu kitu kidogo. That is it for today. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video up until this to the end. I appreciate so much. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, road to 150, and I will really appreciate. Bye for now. Let's enjoy this food. Acha ive kidogo. Bye. After preparing githeri, guys, I want to prepare this one for tomorrow. You know, today is on a Sunday, so I want to prepare. This is called nderema. How many knows nderema? Yeah, nderema and seveve. I hear nowadays people call it misheveve. Yeah, so otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. See you on the next one. Bye bye.